Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NOK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very rough day on this one, and maybe the game is over. I'm not quite willing to say that yet, although, there's definitely a couple of key levels now, in my opinion, at least, that really stand out. And the main level to watch moving forward, and this is where the first update comes into play, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, but when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that level right there at 580 was an area of support, but with the price breaking down below it, it automatically converted to an area of resistance. And my big question mark going forward is, and the reason why I think that level is important, is if the price can consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark now resides. Not necessarily can the price get back up to 580, but can the price break above it and stay above it? And if it can, then at that point, in my opinion, it becomes reasonable to start to have the conversation of, hey, look, I think the bulls are making a comeback. I think this thing is regaining momentum, regaining strength. At that point, now that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to continue to shoot upwards, but it's at least it's at least valid to start to have that conversation. But really, as long as the price is just down below that area, then you can't really argue, hey, the bulls are coming back. Hey, the bulls are showing signs of strength. No, I mean, really, all it's doing is just chipping down below this area that it's already been before. So to me, it's all about 580. Once again, just because 580 breaks doesn't mean that it's going to shoot back up to $9. But okay, let's start to have the conversation again that maybe the bulls, maybe the momentum is making a comeback. As far as areas of support are concerned, the level that I would definitely consider very, very important is that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes the 200 period moving average, currently valued at 435. If the price breaks down below that area, then at that point, that is essentially putting the price literally right back to where it all started, which is not exactly a sign of true strength when price movements explode and then go right back to where they were. So overall, those are going to be the main dynamics to watch moving forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.